Time to go to work, y'all. It's time to go to work. Tap in, tap in. So I'm giving y'all the first person point of view from my GoPro, and that's where that footage is gonna be coming from. But you know, I know I like tapping in with my iPhone, so we're about to service these units, and I'm gonna show y'all the process. So stay in, stay locked in. Let's do it. Got no dogs.
No, I don't think you got a dog. Yeah, this thing needs to be serviced bad, though.
Yeah. What a hose there.
There's the water nozzle.
So this right here called servicing a. This step number one.
Zoom sprouted. See, it's the original oiler for your fan motors.
Let's just help them run longer and better.
Cause it'll start tripping the breaker when they get old and make hard to start.
Yeah.
That's when I like to use this. Okay. I wish I could reach down in there and get that out of there.
What?
That little grass. I'm trying to grab something to get it with. Hold on, guys. Reach it.
A little bit. I ain't gonna be able to get it good.
Okay.
I can come from that side and get it if you lift it up.
You think so?
Yeah.
Get your head.
Ah.
Just sit it right there.
Where?
Right on the ground. One more time. You got it. Oh, come on. You good.
Hey.
You good. You got to drop your head. All right.
Time you said on a hot day.
Your operating range, your PSI should be 125 on this Luxor. Maxing out at 150. Operating range should be 325 here.
Miss Blackwell.
125, 325.
See how quiet the fan got? Now it should go back up. It's crazy how I do that, John.
So it's only gonna give us a measurement on this side?
I don't. Well, I'm charging by temp. I ain't got my red gauge hooked up.
Oh, okay. So I
I
know.
was just showing you about where it should be operating at. See, this is ambient temperature probe here. Your ambient temperature should always be 20 degrees above what it is outside. Like right now, it's like 85. You should be looking for 105 on your temperature. See where I told you operating range was? Between 125 and 150. See what it's doing?
Falling right down to the 125. $120.
Just don't go get it. $125.
How you know it's gonna fall?
Because it's converting, it's going through the TXV and it's regulating pressure. What it's doing?
Falling. It's going right, but you can tell it's regulating because it's steady
Yeah.
teetering. Now it's stocking.
The more it makes it travel, the sensing bulb on the TXV is a gas bulb. And what it does is it expands and tells it what to do.
Yo. We out here. Service call on these mini splits. Service call on this bad puppy. Took it off.
I wonder why it shut off. I wonder if she shut it off on us.
Probably didn't even mean to.
Damn.
You said this the attachment for the mini splits right here?
She shut it off. She turned it off.
She probably didn't know.
Let me tell her. She turned it off.
What you need?
Nothing. I need her to turn it on. Miss Blackwell, you have any more filters around? See, so you won't get that dust out of there. We'll vacuum it out first. Where that little vacuum?
The pump right there. Find something.
Something on the wall right there. Miss Blackwell, do you have any more of these? You have any more of these? No. Okay, I'll go get you one. Okay, I'll get one. 14 by 25. 14 by 25.
We got it.
Okay. Where's the closest Walmart or Target? What's closest? See that?
Oh, I see the little letters.
What you see?
They at the bottom, in the corner, real small.
You kidding me?
Yeah. I just seen it for on the first one.
There
You see where it say G38? Found them. What size was we getting? You remember?
Coming in, Miss Blackwell. Well, yours was not nasty at all. It was just dust on the front. But you don't do a lot of cooking, do you? So probably about every 3 months, 4 months.
You cook a lot, that's when that
30 days. Because that what happens is that grease, yeah, it'll suck up in that unit and it'll have this thing called. Okay.
So that's a little different from sphere, a disc, like you said.
I'm gonna set the extra one to the side of the unit, Miss Blackwell, in the inside here.
Yep, guys, so we just finished up this work with this first service call. Now we about to leave this service call and we about to go and damn, how you open the door? Goddamn key. Y'all see how I did that? Have any of y'all ever fired up a dump truck? She's alive! She alive, y'all. So y'all know what these is right here. Got the shifter. Got the brakes. This is the trailer support brake. This is the parking brake right here. Then you got your lights, air, light, fog light, hookup lamps, mirror heat, brake air, electric malfunctions. Then you got your PSI gauges for your manifold, voltage, engine oil, water temperature. You already know about all of that. You got your blinkers, left blinker, right blinker, hazards right here. Pull them out, that's your hazards. You know? old Mack truck, a CA600, y'all. The old Mack truck, CA600. What y'all know about that? What y'all think? Y'all think I need to go get my CDLs back and get back in this trucking life, man? Make this money? Yeah. I'm on the verge. Like I say, I'm doing heat and air right now. I used to drive trucks. I used to cut hair. You know what I'm saying? I done pretty much done it all, man. I ain't done everything, but I done done a lot of my fair share of working as far as you know, being an employer. But my real hustle mentality, my grind, where I'm headed, I'm trying to get to where I'm making passive income because I own assets that bring me in revenue. You know what I'm saying? But there's only one way to get there, and it's by hard work. So of course y'all see me doing content, but content is not paying me an extraordinary amount of money right now. So when you hustling and working for yourself, you got to do multiple things. You know what I'm saying? So there's still moments where I do hit haircuts. You know what I'm saying? When I get my truck, my license, my truck driver license back, I'm gonna do a little dump trucking, and then, you know, from time to time, when my uncle and Courtney and them got a job for me, I go and do a little heat and air work. So all hustles in, man.
You got a studio in
What, music? Mm-hmm. That's what's up.
Come to put the air conditioner in. Fix the air conditioner. Hello?
I might don't need to turn the camera on in here, huh?
We come to fix the air conditioner.
Go right here on the side. Open this other window. You gotta see where this break. Damn, I didn't even bring my deal. I'll be right back. This one you learn.
Job sometimes, man. Sometimes you gotta crawl up under the house. See what you're looking for, man. Trying to get this wire right here. Do you think it'll pull better from the inside out?
Yeah, but I want to see something first.
Yeah.
I'm gonna show you what I'm doing now. Where those connectors are,
Uh-huh.
we're gonna try to run it from the connectors. So guess what the connectors could be doing?
What? Shorting out?
Exactly.
And I was thinking I probably should have stopped and drove my truck out here.
Well, I'm finna take you home. I'll take you. Hold on, don't put it too hard, wait.
My bad. All right. Ugh. We gotta do an 8-minute thermostat install starting now. So in 8 minutes, if the thermostat ain't in, then we lose. But if it's in, we win. So y'all stay tuned. Let's do it. Not yet. Nope. Nope. Yeah, I see it. We good? I got it. All right, not tight. I'll come through here now. Mm-hmm. Okay. Two minutes. Need light? Okay. Nope.
Still see that?
Come on through there.
Can you feel with your hand? Feel with your hand.
It ain't gonna come through, is it?
No, it's all the way.
All right, do it again. Poke at it, poke at it. Keep poking. I'm trying to feel exactly where it's poking at. It's up in here somewhere. Right up here, right here. That mug probably just about 2 inches longer than the bit. We good? Damn, where you go? Hey! Hey! Hey, we good. I fished it through. Shit, how about work? Shit, I fished it through. Now you don't need it. And we had 6 minutes. I didn't fuck you up. You said you went and grabbed the too small bit. I'm helping you fishing it through. You still would have been looking. I don't know, man. I just kind of, you know how you be drunk in the dark and you find him up. That's what I did. You about to need me to hold on to that. I can't tell. You steady dropping.
A whole bunch of this shit.
Don't happen to nobody else. You hear me?
Push it back out of it.
Oh, yeah. Right there? Time.
Start pushing that other piece back down in the floor.
Can I pull it from the unit?
Yep.
Cause that mug ain't going.
Yep.
I ain't gonna tug it. All right. Hey. Yep, yep. Okay.
Change light.
Oh, they make a screw in, don't just stove. Push it in.
Snap it. Snap it.
Snap it. $15 max, no problem.
I ain't get nothing on here.
7 batteries on that good.
You got any batteries, ma'am? Double A.
Is it even plugged up outside?
Yeah, not yet. It's gonna be. In a minute. In a minute.
The new batteries did everything.
We on cool. I'm gonna set it on 71. It's in the lane. You'll send it. By the time you got it inside.
We had to run new wire down through there to the indoors because the old wire was broke somewhere and I don't know where it was broke at, and we ran out of time looking for it, so we ran a whole new wire. That'll work.
Straighten it up, straighten it up. All right, now cut it again. You gotta keep going. You ain't gonna hit it. Gotta do what you gotta do. You good. Just tuck on up out of here, cut. Hey, you got a nice little hole right here. Hey, you got a nice little ditch right here too.
Well,
on the pull
am I
out.
gonna hit it?
Hell yeah.
Can I back up some more?
Back up some more, you got to. Now cut it.